What up? Welcome back to Dizzle in Motion. Today I'm reviewing not a really cheap, they listed for 160 bucks. You might be able to find a better deal, but we're checking this one out, the Opvicam V6S dash cam. Looks like it's gonna be plug and play. Should be super simple unless you wanna hardwire it later. So let's get into the unboxing. All right guys, we'll get into this. Like I said, it's the Opvicam. They sell on Amazon and a couple other places. There's hundreds of these different types of dash cams you can order now for different vehicles. Most of them are decent, right? But you never know, am I gonna get jacked around? Is this the real deal or not? So we're gonna check this one out today. Start here with the unboxing and see where we go. So this is supposed to be the 4K one. This is the V6S. They have a D model, a Delta model that also has the rear camera included with it. It's supposed to be like 170-degree view, track where you're at, parking, like Sentry mode type stuff, all that good stuff. So we'll go ahead and get into this. Underneath there. Leave it to me, I'll probably spill everything all over the place, right? So far it's clean. Here's the camera itself. Get right to the goods. So it's about the size of a regular, like a Logi dash cam, or excuse me, webcam. That's why I called it that. You take this sucker off right here, and so far nothing really crazy looking. Looks like there's some kind of adhesive here. Customer care, it's got support information on it, a simple button, and then a forward facing camera. On the bottom you have regular, looks like pause, fast forward, so maybe you can review on your screen as you're on the move. So we'll check that out. Set that over here. And then I assume this is all of our harnesses, cables, anything else that we would need along those lines. Just dump it out because I have kids, I'll blame it on them. Manual, we only go to that if absolutely necessary. We always try to figure things out ourselves up until the point we break it. That's the policy here. And I don't know if this is some kind of, yeah, it's like keeps the lens clean, I guess. Hardware guide, some stickers and cards. Dear customer, wish you a happy life. I'm actually not making that up, it says that. Looks like cigarette lighter. And is that a USB? Is that a micro USB? It is. Minus points for micro USB, but whatever. And then we have some hard wiring here, if you're not gonna go that route, so that you can work it into the system. Double-sided sticky tapes with clamps, more adhesive, more safety protective levels, and this must be so you can put your shoes on. No, I'm just kidding. I imagine at some point you'll have to click something tight, but all right, there you go. That's the unboxing. Next step, we're gonna go into the install. So do you guys think I should watch a YouTube video on somebody else doing this? Hell no, I'm gonna freestyle it. And when I screw it up, which I probably will, then I'll fall back to the user manual. In the meantime, stay tuned for the install coming up very shortly.